Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to design your Shopify product page. And throughout the video I'm going to talk about how you can make an engaging product page and how you could easily customize your product page, and it will be an ultimate guide for you, and I will try my best to break down step by step process for you. And in this video I also introduce you new apps for customization. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store, and this is our Shopify dashboard panel. And if you want to visit our Shopify store, then this is the front end, and we have some product over here, and this is our review panel. Like, we have all those necessary steps. So first of all, I'm going to change this color because it's really bright and it feels so much shady for me. So I'm going to click on channel setting, and then I will go to the apps option. Here you need to find out the apps. Just click over here, and I am going to click on just me. Just click on open app, and here we will have general setting, and let's find out where is the option for change the widget color. Let's go and find out. Like, it's quite hard to find out the option, but we need to find it out. So just find it out one by one. Mini bar and manage reviews, collect review widget, and let's click on customize. And here you can see we have the problem with this. So I'm going to change it to this color. Similarly, I think this may good, so I'm going to save it. Let's find out where is the save it. Just click on install, or just scroll down, and here we have the save button. Just click over here, save. Then let's go and check this out again. Here you can see our color has been changed and it looks really nice right now. So let's dive into the main step, that is how we can customize our product page. So here you have this product page, and if you want to customize it, just go over that place in the bottom of the right corner. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect to next page, and it will landed you to the editing panel where you can easily edit your product page. And as you can see, we have this simple page, and we have this template on the left corner, and this is the element we used to make this page. So if you want to make it more smooth and more engaging, so you need to be think this way. You need to make a plan. So here we does not have many features, but we have couple of features. But if you want to use further more advanced feature, then you just need to be install apps, and the app's name is, let's go onto the app setting and then find out where is the app, and I will give you the app's name. And the app's name is Instant Page Builder. Just click over here, and it will redirect you to the shop page. And here you can see, if you search only instant page, then you will get the option for instant section as page builder. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you can read it why I am suggesting you to use this one. First of all, it is free plan available and popular with store like yours, new business making sales. Then highlight works with drown your theme, and also has 5.0 rating over 170. And you can read this description over here, like, create everything your store needs, from your home page and product page to landing page, theme selection, pop-up, and many more. Also 5,000 or 500 plus CRO templates ready to use, free landing, product page, and section Figma plugin, all in one tool. And also it is SEO friendly. So I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to that page, and I am allowed to install it into my Shopify store. Just click over here, install. Once it installed perfectly, now you can see we have this option. It's called building today, like landing page, product template. So I'm going to product template, and this is my website. As you can match this domain over that place, and let's click on open template library. Just click over here, and then you are allowed to see these options. Just click over here, and now you can see this is the product library, and we have like awesome product template over here. You just need to be find it out which one will be relevant for your business. So I'm going to click on this one, and then it will be uploaded here perfectly. Here you can see this is the design. It's looked really nice, and I can see significant design I ever see in Shopify. Here you want to change anything, you are allowed to do it. You can change the flat rate name, and you have product hero option. Then we have couple of other options like layout, then components and style, or also assets. So just click over here into the publish. Once I click over here publish, so I'm going to use this style trial. It will only charge 0, and here we have everything from free, unlimited pages and blog, publish 5 section, publish on product template, 3 days version history, support within 1 day, publish as home page, remove instant branding. So let's click over here, and it will give us the option. So here let's visit our preview option, and now you can see this is the design. It will be overdue with our product page. Like here we have bag, it will be rechanged with this boya. And if you want to see the responsiveness, then you are allowed to see. Just click over here. Now you can see this is the tab version, where width will be 768. If you want to watch it into phone, it will be look something like this. So it really makes your work so much simple. I hope you understand why I did tell you to use this platform. So here I'm going to click on cross, and then here you can see we have this option in the right corner. If you see in here Shopify content, if you want to add your product, you are allowed to do it. Like click on product, then you will get your product over here. You need to take them a time, and here you can see that we have style. We can change the design over that place. If I click over here, and now let's go, and if you check this out, we have premium, black, and we can add some other product over that place. Here you can see you can choose one by one which will be familiar with this one. Protein bar and plain bill, premium grain backpack, and you can sort it, or you can add variant. Also you can change the size over that place. Also we have access for spacing, we have access for layout, fixed or fit, then style. You can change whatever you want, whether you know anything about website design or no, you are allowed to use it. It is just a drag and drop option. Just click over here in this plus button, and here you will find out many template or elements. There you can see products. Just go and add it here. Let's add it here. I want to add this button, just composite here. Now you can see our add to cart has been added. So I hope you already understand how this design has been worked for you and how easy the process was. So here you can check out the setting. You can add any condition if you want. So also you have full authority to edit each or single place for you. Then let's click on preview. When you complete your design, you are allowed to watch it properly. If you compare with this one, in this one, which one will be best for you, just comment us into the comment below. If you think this video was helpful for you and you learn a new thing from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.